We just had a catastrophic explosion. A costly explosion. And you can see what is the basic. I think we have one dead officer of the truck. We just had a catastrophic explosion. A costly explosion. And you can see what is the basic. Wow, from Battalion 601.
601, go ahead.
Go ahead and fill the structure sign box with all that traffic coming from engine 618.
Sounds direct.
We just had a structural explosion. Mayday, truck 611, truck 611, truck 611. We've got a cluster, I'm in the basement. Chopped by debris. Battalion 601 is direct on your Mayday, truck 611. Engine 618 to Battalion 601. Need you to intervene before the writ. Engine 618 direct. Engine 618 for Battalion 601. Is your whole crew accounted for? I'm still checking for my crew.
Battalion 601 for engine 611.
Go ahead, engine 611.
We're pulling up on scene now. We'll be laying out from 125 Seneca Ridge Drive.
I'm direct. Can you confirm fire?
I can confirm. We had a house explosion, significant damage. I'm going to be on the scene. I'm going to go ahead and establish command. The house is pretty much leveled.
I'm stuck. There's a group. Please come pick me up. Line, go ahead and start the Rapid Intervention Task Force and a second alarm. Confirm the people trapped in the basement. Large debris pile everywhere. Working on trying to get the firefighters out of the basement.
Battalion 608. Engine 608.
Well, I'm on the scene. I'm going to go ahead and assume command was already established. Got crews working on suppressing the fire and trying to get people into the basement.
Battalion Chief 601, Loudoun direct. Engine 618, firefighter in the basement. Mayday call 2028.
12 minute engine 442. Paramedic truck 425, truck 606, rescue squad 635. Medic 635, ambulance 635, Charlie, Battalion Chief 401, Battalion Chief 402, Safety 603, MS 601, Operation 600, Paramedic Rescue 439, Staff Duty Officer, 6 Delta TAC 11, Box 618, 21 Structure Fire 347, Silver Ridge Drive, Cross Street, Seneca Ridge Drive. Reported firefighter trapped in the basement 2029.
Command to Engine 611, get that dead gun in service, make a knock on this fire, please. Engine 618, Tower 618, are you able to account for your crews yet? I think we have one dead officer of the truck. You confirm one dead the officer of the truck? Loud for Battalion 601.
601, go ahead.
Battalion 601, can you start me an EMS task force for this location?
Loudoun direct. EMS task force in route 2029.
Battalion 601. Battalion 611. 611, I need you to place your dead gun in service.
Loud from Battalion 604, and the other call.